gotta chat. So many things I gotta say, I just been gathering the facts. And today, we gon' have that conversation about the situation. I refuse your intimidation, I'm audacious. I got the audacity to remove duplicity, far away from my vicinity, reprogram my mind state. God, renew my mind daily. I see through the eyes of the spirit, no limitation. Spread the gospel to all nations, fearlessly representing the God of creation. We're not hiding, we're not running, we're bold, we're brave, we're keeping it 100. We in your face like the bass of a drum beat, sharing the good news, our conviction it runs deep. Salvation is God's gift for all humanity. Don't sweat it, let's go. Ooh.